This parrot remembered something. No one else did. 7 years ago, a little boy disappeared in the jungle. His parents searched for months, but never found him. Only his pet parrot remained. Every morning, the parrot flew into the trees, calling his name. "Ricky! Ricky!" People said, "Forget him! He's gone." But the parrot didn't stop. One day, a weak voice replied from the woods. "Polly?" They found the boy, skinny, scared, but alive. He had survived, following the sound of his best friend's voice. The parrot had done what no human could.